How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the FormKeep video. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can take a form you've already built with some HTML and link it up to FormKeep so that you have full accessibility to that form you created with the FormKeep tools. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So on the right, we have the form we've built up with some HTML here. It's a pretty simple sample form. In this case, for me, what I did is I actually downloaded this form, or this HTML, excuse me, from one of our posts on FormKeep. And so I'll leave a link down in the description below to that post if you want to see it. And that post basically gave me this file to download that has all of this HTML in it already. So that's just for your reference. And then on the left here, we're in our test HTML form too. So you want to make sure you link these two up together and select the form you want to link up to. So in this case, it's that. And then we go to the setup tab of the FormKeep tool here. And then at the top here for me, it says how to set up your form. And if you already have a form, do this. Now, in your case, if you have some information, you might see some information about like pasting a URL or something like that, but you just make sure you scroll down to the part that says if you already have a form. So that's what we do here. This is our form. We already have it on the right. And what we need to do now to link it up is use this token. So we see here like this URL right there. It says form action equals URL. And at the top of this area, we also see action equals the URL right there. And it's similar, except the last part of it says your token. And so what we need to do with that is just copy in our token here. This series of numbers and letters is our token. And it will be different just depending on form to form, but that's what ours is in this case. And so what we can do here is just copy that and then paste it into this right here. So now it's pasted in. What we're going to go ahead and do now is save this file and just drag and drop it into our browser so I can show you what it looks like. So right now I'm just going to save the file. Okay, so now the file is saved and we're going to go ahead and drag and drop it into our browser. Okay, so we'll make a new tab here. This is a completely empty tab. We'll just drag and drop our sample form file into there, the HTML file. And there it is. That's our file. That's our form, and that's what it looks like. But what's interesting about this, like it's all linked up to FormKeep now, which is really cool. So any information or data that goes through this that people submit will go show up in FormKeep, and we can see all the submissions and data in the tool itself, which is really cool. Just for your also like continued reference, in this case, I was using Visual Studio Code, VS Code, but you don't have to use that. That's just it looks nice for the video, but you can use Notepad or whatever your preference is to be editing, of course. So I hope that this video is helpful, guys. I mean, really all there is to it is just opening up the HTML and just dragging and dropping your token in and then saving it. And it's as simple as that. Then it'll all be linked up. So it's very simple. If you didn't quite answer all your questions in this video, though, you can always visit the frequently asked questions page of the FormKeep website. And then there's also a support messenger in the bottom right-hand corner where you can chat with our team live or just email them directly, given the address on screen now. Like I said, I hope this video was very helpful. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and thank you very much for watching.